What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to Stronger. We're making your poses, your practice stronger. And I'm back again with my buddy Nick. And how are your obliques, Nick?
They turned on.
We've been working the heck out of his obliques in these videos. And Shalisa's gotten a whole different experience than Nick has. But what we're going to do is help you break down Ardha Chandrasana today, half moon. So in this pose, it's going to be a pose in which we're on one leg. So let's apply the same principles that we focus on. Remember, foundation, we focus on the feet first. We build from the ground up. But if we're only going to be on one foot, we need to understand a couple of important things about the foot. Is that if we just put weight on one foot, I'm going to have him lift his back leg up, then it means the foot's going to rock, right? Now, that's normal, that's natural. We want that. We want responsiveness at the ankle, not reactiveness. So one of the key takeaways is balance is also dependent on this leg, the one that's in the air. And by that I mean that if he uses his glute to lift his leg and hold it up, it's going to pull his foot back. Imagine if there was a box right here on his mat and his heel was kicking the back edge. Instead, think about bringing your foot forward until you kick the other edge of this invisible wall. That means he's using his hip flexor to try to not overuse his glute. We want to be operating from the outer hip and from the front of the hip to hold this leg up, even slightly bring it forward. I'm going to let Nick take a break real fast because we want to come back and talk about this foot on the floor again. Because what happens if you come up onto one leg and on this foot and you use your glute and pull this foot back to try to get your leg into the air? Nick is going to show you what typically will happen, which is that the foot is going to start to turn. And the more his foot turns on his right foot would be counterclockwise, that means the more he's going to be on the outer edge and he's going to fall out of the pose, right? So in order to maintain pressure on the hallux joint, we want to think about keeping that pinky toe light to the floor. You can even lift it off the floor. If the others come up with it, that's fine, because it operates the outer calf, which puts pressure on the hallux. That means he's literally glued his balance to the floor, and then he can lift. If I haven't killed Nick yet, we're going to have him operate from a couple of arm balances. I'm going to fix him. You can reach your right hand forward. You can reach your left hand up, and we call this the windmill variation. So he's literally trying to lift this ankle, lift this hand, to work all this strength through the side body while he stabilizes on this leg. That's a stronger pose. Thanks for checking it out. Thanks for all the hard work, Nick. We'll see you soon. Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our video on Half Moon today. I hope you found this content valuable to your practice. If so, do us a favor, hit that like button. And if you'd like to see more of our content, subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you're always up to speed on when we drop new content, which is at least twice a week. At Stronger Yoga Academy, we're super passionate about helping develop a stronger yoga practice, a stronger body, and a healthier life. And you can also leave us a comment, let us know what you thought about the videos, and let us know if there's a video we can do a pose on that you need help with. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next one.